What you're going to hear about today is nothing short of a miracle.
Technology has developed rapidly. This means customers have changed their behavior. Reaching them may feel like trying to catch a mosquito in the dark. Seems impossible, right? But we're glad to tell you that it has been made possible. Here you see a classic corporate track shot of Atcore, a digital consultancy with experts like this guy and these guys. Together, they guide companies through digital transformation. So, let's get to the case. In 1836, Adolphe and Eugene Schneider bought an iron mine and started dealing with railways and shipbuilding.
But that's only part of the story.
Today, Schneider Electric is a Fortune 500 company that has undergone multiple transformations over the last 180 years. They of course know that sustainability is the way forward. But to build the most energy-efficient schools and hospitals in a digital era carries new challenges in how to communicate and connect customers and partners.
Hello, Mom. This is Ralph.
When dealing with transforming a company digitally, the key to understand how to achieve it is to understand real customer needs and acknowledge that it is not the same as what you think customers need. In other words, acknowledging that we know nothing. To get to the bottom of this case, some good old fieldwork was needed. Over the course of 4 months, we collected more than thousands of user survey responses, hundreds of in-depth user segment interviews, and tons of digital behavioral data. So now we could begin building a structure based on facts. This structure opened our eyes to a new system of understanding. We started mapping the customer journey for each of the customer segments. Every mapped customer touchpoint was comparable to a subway station. Some became junctions representing overlapping customer needs. Mapping the different customer journeys allowed us to identify unsupported customer needs in each touchpoint and prioritize Schneider Electric's future digital activities in a 2-year roadmap. This allowed Schneider Electric to focus their tactical marketing activities quarter by quarter, creating the most efficient customer-centric approach for each investigated segment. But what does this actually mean in real life? This is John. He is one of 33,000 electricians in Denmark. He just realized that Schneider Electric will change and relaunch the product he has been installing in the same way for the last 20 years. To keep his customers satisfied, he needs to learn how to install the new product. Because we now understand John's behavior and how he prefers to consume information through his customer journey, we can tailor his digital experience across devices and channels to exactly match his need. Understanding the customer journey enabled us to create a platform that identifies where the customers are in their journey. This allows Schneider Electric to reach and engage customers with personalized and automated communication entirely driven by individual needs.
This would never have been possible without understanding our customers, without having the right people to deliver the right messages to our customers, and without using data and technology to deliver that tailored experience at just the right time.